Today on Art Is, we're going to make our own TV commercial with Liz Stokel. Today's class was at Reagan Elementary School in Chowchilla.
Support for Art Is provided by the James Irvine Foundation, expanding opportunity for the people of California.
Art Is was made possible by a grant from the Bonner Family Foundation in support of the arts and education.
Today we're going to learn another aspect of drama. And what we're going to do today is we're all going to learn how to make a commercial. We're going to start at the beginning and end up with our product. So can anybody tell me, what is a commercial? What is a commercial, Manjot?
It's like a break in between shows.
Very good. It's a break in between a show. A short commercial is what most of us see during a television show when we're watching television on a Saturday morning. So that's what we're going to do today, is we're going to make a commercial. Now, the purpose of a commercial, can anybody tell me what the purpose of a commercial is? Andrew?
To try to sell products.
To try to sell products, exactly right. So when we see a commercial, do we hear good things about the product or bad things about the product? Corina?
Good things about it?
We hear good things about the product. So we want to make sure that as we're making our commercial, we say good things about our product. Now, another word that we can use for saying good things about a product is the word persuasive, or to persuade. We want to persuade the customer to buy our product. Now, how many of you have ever heard that word persuade? Okay? Sometimes your teacher might ask you to write some sort of a paper that persuades us or convinces us. We're going to try to convince the audience that they need to buy our product. So we're going to start at the beginning, find the product, find all the good stuff about it, and then write our commercial. Now, we need a few things to write our commercial. First of all, we need something called a script. A script. Now, that will help us to write our commercial. Can anybody tell me what a script is?
Like a book that has words in it that you're supposed to say, like in a play.
Very good. A book that has words in it that you're supposed to say if you're in a play, or in a movie, or in a television show, or in a
commercial.
Commercial, exactly right. You will need a script to follow. And so that's what you're going to help me do today, is you're going to write the script. Now, in order to have a really good script, not only do you need the right words, but you also need to create something called characters. Characters. Well, now, what is a character? What is a character? Taylor?
It's a guy or a girl is like saying the words.
A guy or girl who's saying the words. You're exactly right. It's who the story is about, or the people in our commercial are our characters. So we're going to have several characters in our commercial. Now, we're going to decide what characters we have based on the costumes that we have available. Costumes. Now, what is a costume? Bernardo?
A costume is something that someone tells you to wear.
Something someone tells you to wear. Now, who tells you to wear those costumes?
The director.
The director, exactly right. The director of the play, the director of the movie, the director of the commercial. They'll tell you what to wear. How many of you have ever worn a costume? When do you wear a costume?
Halloween.
Halloween, exactly right. Right now, you all are wearing costumes. Did you know that?
No.
No? Well, guess what? You're wearing costumes. Let me prove that to you. Do you wear the clothes that you're wearing now when you go swimming?
No.
What do you wear when you swim?
Swimming suit.
A swimming suit or a bathing suit. That's exactly right, because that's your swimming costume. Well, right now you have your coming to school costume. You wouldn't wear these clothes to go swimming in. Do you wear these clothes to go to bed in, to sleep in? No, that's because you have a sleeping costume. So I'm going to be providing you with some costumes to help you create a character that is not you. You're going to have to pretend to be somebody else. Okay? So we've got a few things that we're going to be working with today. We're going to make a commercial, which is we're going to persuade somebody that they need our product. So in order to persuade them, we're going to write a script. We're going to become a character, and we're going to wear costumes in order to show the audience what characters we are. Now, if we're going to persuade people, are we going to say good things about the product or bad things about the product? Natalia?
Good things.
We're going to say good things about the product. So let's see. How many of you have ever seen commercials on TV? So what kinds of things do they try to sell us in commercials? Israel?
Cars.
They try to sell us cars. Do they say, buy this car, it'll break down in 6 months?
No.
Do they say that? No, they don't say that. They try to make you believe that this car is the best car out there. It'll make you feel good about yourself, and it'll last you for the rest of your life, right? They don't ever tell us any bad stuff about the product. What else do they try to sell us in commercials? Darius?
Food.
Food. They try to sell you food. Do they say, eat this food, it'll make you fat? No? What do they tell you in commercials about food? Darius, what do they tell you about some of the products?
They tell you that it has low price.
It's low price. That's right. That's exactly right. Or maybe that it tastes really great, or that it's really good for you. Okay? So we've got cars, food. What else do they try to sell us in commercials? Manjat?
Cleaning product.
Cleaning products. You're exactly right. And again, do they tell you that when you use this product, your eyes are going to burn and your skin is going to become all red and fiery? No, they tell you that it's going to clean, and it's going to be a lifesaver, and it's going to be a time saver, and it's the best product ever. So I want you guys to be thinking about all those positive commercials when you make up your own commercial. And I want you to be thinking about how to persuade our audience to buy our product. So I have a product that you're going to all get, and we're going to try to say some really great things about this product, okay? How many of you like pretzels? Yeah, me too. All right, so this is the product that we're going to make a commercial about. So let's see, I'm going to bring you each a pretzel. There you go. Let's go over here. Nobody gets a broken pretzel. Everyone gets a full and complete unbroken pretzel. Don't eat them. Don't break them. Don't even look at them. No, I'm kidding. You can look at them.